Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can check all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. So you can go through all of the feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits to get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique consecutive strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. And just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.